Ever wondered how to effortlessly transfer money from your BDO account to PayPal? Well, it's actually easier than you may think. In just a few easy steps, you can seamlessly manage your funds across both platforms. So without further ado, let's get started. First things first, log into your BDO account through the online banking platform. If your transaction involves a QR code, then access it by simply tapping on the designated QR option. Next step is you need to choose the specific type of send money transaction that align with your needs. As BDO offers various options to cater to different transfer requirements, ensuring flexibility in your transactions. Now, proceed by filling up the necessary details for your transaction. Depending on the type of send money transaction selected, you may need to input the recipient details, the amount you wish to transfer, and any other required information. So take a moment to ensure accuracy and completeness in this step. Lastly, confirm the transaction securely. BDO provides two options for confirmation. First is the biometrics such as your fingerprint or facial recognition, or entering your 6-digit PIN. This dual-layer security ensures that your money transfer is protected and only authorized by you. And that's how you transfer money from BDO to PayPal in the BDO app. Now, I just want to add that if you wish to transfer funds from your BDO account to your PayPal balance, you can also do it on the PayPal app. So if you want to do this on the PayPal app, start by opening your PayPal, then locate your balance, and once you've found it, just tap on it. Now select Add Money from the options provided. This action will initiate the process of adding funds to your PayPal account. Now choose the option Add from your bank, as this step ensures that you are pulling funds from your confirmed bank account. Now enter the specific amount you wish to add to your PayPal balance and then tap Next to proceed with the transaction. Now once you've confirmed the amount, go ahead and wrap up the process by tapping Add to your balance. This final step completes the transaction and the added funds are now on their way to your PayPal account. You just need to keep an eye out for the confirmation and enjoy a seamless financial management. And there you have it, a quick and hassle-free guide on transferring money from BDO to PayPal. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.